USB-C docking station monitor detection issues are surprisingly common, affecting 30 to 40% of users. These problems manifest as monitors not being detected, flickering displays, or only partial functionality of multi-monitor setups. The first step in troubleshooting is verifying that your USB-C port actually supports video output. Not all USB-C ports are created equal. Only ports with DisplayPort Alt Mode or Thunderbolt capability can output video signals. Look for DisplayPort or Thunderbolt symbols near your port. Graphics driver updates resolve 34% of monitor detection issues. Outdated or corrupted drivers are often the culprit. Access Device Manager, expand display adapters, right-click your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Choose Automatic Search to let Windows find the latest version. Cable quality is crucial for monitor detection. A 4K monitor at 60 Hz requires approximately 26 gigabits per second of bandwidth. Basic USB-C cables often only support 5 gigabits per second, while quality Thunderbolt cables provide 40 gigabits per second. Insufficient bandwidth is a frequent cause of detection failures. Testing monitors individually helps isolate the problem. Connect only one monitor at a time to determine if the issue is with a specific monitor, cable, or bandwidth limitation. This systematic approach quickly identifies whether you have a hardware defect or a configuration issue. Sometimes the operating system simply needs to refresh its display detection. In Windows, access Display Settings, scroll to Multiple Displays, and click the Detect button. This forces Windows to rescan for connected monitors. You can also use the Windows key plus P shortcut for quick display options. These 5 troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of USB-C docking station monitor detection issues. Start with verifying port compatibility, update your graphics drivers, check cable specifications, test monitors individually, and refresh display detection. These basic steps will solve most common problems before requiring advanced solutions. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve monitor detection issues, advanced solutions become necessary. The first step is updating your docking station's firmware, which can resolve up to 89% of persistent display problems. Display resolution and refresh rate optimization is crucial for system stability. Many detection issues stem from bandwidth limitations when running multiple high-resolution monitors simultaneously. For persistent issues, upgrading to higher bandwidth solutions like Thunderbolt 4 provides the most reliable results. Thunderbolt 4 docking stations achieve a 94% multi-monitor success rate compared to 76% for standard USB-C connections. The industry is rapidly evolving with stricter USB-IF certifications and the emergence of Thunderbolt 5 technology. New standards promise 120 gigabits per second bandwidth, enabling support for multiple 8K displays simultaneously. Enterprise environments are adopting cloud-based management systems for docking stations. These solutions provide remote configuration, automatic firmware updates, and predictive failure detection, reducing support tickets by up to 78% in large deployments.